welcome back to my channel. And my channel is called Felicity Monkey. And today I'm going to be showing you some slime. So I've got 3 putties and I'm going to show you number 1. And I got this from Smiggle and it's Cosmic Goo. Changes colour in the light, and so if you want to buy this, it's from Smiggle. If you just want to look at that. Cosmic Goo. And then so it's a nice sparkly sort of, it has like it's galaxy and it has little blue balls in it. So it's stretchy and it's very crunchy, and so I'm just going to lean you forwards. It's pokey. Let's stretch it. So that's number 1. So that is number 1. I'll put the lid over there and you can just Cosmic Goo. Made a weird sound. Number 2. So I have opened these because I was doing another video trying to get something. Oh yeah. Yeah. So it's like that. It's not very crunchy, but this is brain putty, and you can look at that symbol. I'm going to try and make a bubble, and if I make a bubble, I'll show you. Oh, I didn't make a bubble, but it looks like that. So crunchy, not very crunchy, but sort of crunchy. And I know you can't see my face because it's too low down. So do that. And the next one is Smart Putty, and you can look at that. It doesn't work. So that's that. So this is a green slime. And it's very crunchy. And this is probably my favorite slime. And it's very pokey, I think. So it's like that, and it's very stretchy. I just popped a bubble. Sorry. And it ends like that. I was trying to make a funny face. And it's sort of a paper. So, I hope you like this video, and remember to, where did the lid go? Oh, stop. Remember to subscribe and hit that notifications and hit that bell. So, I hope you like this video, and remember to subscribe, hit that notification and bell. Bye!